Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Hi everyone, Nadia here. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, it's Sunday. It's cold here today in Jersey, guys. Tomorrow is Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day when it comes. But guys, right now today is Sunday afternoon. It is really cold, guys. I am in my robe and I feel so nice and warm, but I'm ready to deliver this video to you guys. So guys, before I begin, thank you so much for the support on my last video. It meant so much to me. You guys really came in, you watched my video, you commented, what? And you guys have a lot of questions about the TeDivina tea from my last video. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the TeDivina tea from scratch. Okay guys, so make sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share with your friends and your family, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. See ya! Alright guys, so here is what you're gonna need to make your tea. So of course we're gonna need a kettle to boil our water. But guys, here's the star of the show, Miss TeDivina right here. So guys, let's go over the ingredients for the TeDivina tea. So here we have persimmon leaves, holy thistle, malva leaves, papaya, myrrh, chamomile, ginger, cranberry, Siberian chaga, Ganoderma lucidum, and soluble fiber. And guys, if you are taking this tea to lose weight, the recommended usage is right here: 8 ounces with breakfast, 8 ounces with lunch, and 4 ounces with your dinner. Guys, you do not want to exceed 20 ounces of this tea per day. And guys, this is 1 sachet. This is all you're gonna need to make this tea. This 1 sachet will make a gallon of tea. So picture yourself going to the grocery store and you pick up a gallon of water. So just to have an idea, that's the amount of tea that you should have when you're done making the tea. So guys, here's my water. My 128 ounces of water, which is equivalent to 1 gallon. So guys, pretty much what I did to break it down for you guys, I got a cup, a measuring cup, so 1 cup equal 8 ounces, and I did that 16 times with water. So 16 times 8 is 128 ounces. 128 ounces equals 1 gallon. So guys, there you have it, our kettle, our alkaline water from my alkaline machine, and the star of the show, the TeDivina Detox tea that is gonna change your life for the better. Okay guys, let's begin. And guys, for those of you who are curious about my alkaline water machine, here is my baby. I will link the video down below that I did a few months ago when I was installing this machine. So as you can see here, 9.5, 9.0, 8.5. Guys, I always have it on 9.5 because I want the highest level of alkaline water possible. So guys, this here is my drinking water, and as you can see, it's hooked up to the pipe, my pipe over here. All right guys, so here's my kettle. My kettle has been through a lot, guys. All right, so we're gonna pour our water in. And guys, I'm not gonna use all the water, okay? I'm not gonna use all the water. We're gonna leave some of the water after the tea comes to a boil. All right, I think that's enough. Yeah, that should be good. I think we can use some more. All right, guys, that is good. And we're gonna cover our kettle. And I put it on the highest one as possible. So yeah, guys, we're gonna let this boil until you know that kettle sound comes on, and then we will go from there. All right, guys, so my kettle is boiling away. I'm ready to brew this tea, guys. All right, so I'm gonna turn it off. And I'm gonna put it is boiling now, guys. It's really hot. So I have my glass container here, right? And I'm just gonna grab my tea, my sachet, and we're gonna open it up. Guys, here is our sachet of tea. It's pretty big, right? So this is what it looks like. And I have my glass container here. I'm gonna pour it in here. And guys, you wanna be very careful now. So it's still boiling and I'm gonna pour. And I'm just gonna set that right there so you guys can see. So, and I'm gonna put some more in here. And yeah. So guys, remember, we still have leftover water. I still have a little bit of leftover water in here, and I still have some water in here, which is fine. So I'm gonna cover my tea, and you're gonna let this sit for 8 hours, guys. For the sake of this video, I don't have 8 hours, so we're just gonna speed up the process a little bit, okay? All right, see you guys in about 8 hours. Okay guys, so while the tea is brewing, I just want to share with you guys all the stuff I'm going to have to pack for my state board, my practical state board exam this Friday. So I'm gonna pack everything in my suitcase here. We have the star of the show, Miss Lisa. So this is gonna be the doll that I'm gonna be doing my practical on. And then guys, so we have to carry everything. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. So, this is my shower cap to put on Miss Lisa. And I think robe, I won't be using the robe, guys, because back then before COVID, I would be practicing on a real person, on a real model, but it's post-COVID, that's not the case anymore. We are practicing on our dolls, or we'll be using our dolls for this exam. So in here I have my sheets to make my bed, and some paper towel that we're gonna use to like clean the bed before we put the sheets on the bed. And in here I have my mirror, and I have my 4x4s here. I need a bunch of 4x4s, guys, because we need those to clean the model after each step. This is just a few bottles here. Kleenex, just a bunch of stuff, guys. Just a bunch of stuff. Cleanser, and I'm gonna make sure whatever I don't have label, gloves. So whatever I don't have label, I'm gonna have to make sure. This is the Marvicide spray to make sure everything is like clean and disinfected. So yeah. And here in my other bag, I have my everything I need when I'm ready to wax. Whenever I'm ready to wax the client. So oil, toner, all that good stuff in here. And this is my makeup bag. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna use when it comes time for the makeup. The makeup portion is all the way at the end of the clinical. So yeah, and then these are just some more products. Powder, this is some more products I'm gonna need for waxing and so on. And of course I have my sanitation bag. So we have toner in here, we have disinfectant in here, so paper towel, all good, a bunch of goodies, guys. Just a bunch of stuff. And then this is the bag I'm gonna use to perform the facial portion of the practical. So yeah, I'm excited, guys. I was nervous before, and then I had to go buy a few things more. So I have my concealer here. I'm gonna use this pencil. I'm gonna use it as my eyebrow pencil, because back then, like I said, we were going to perform this practical on an actual person, but that's not the case anymore. So yeah, I got my concealer. It should be okay for Miss Lisa over here. And my pencil, it's a lip liner pencil, but I'm gonna use it as my eyebrow pencil. And yeah, I have my tape. Whatever it is I need to tape, because I need to make sure I have every single thing labeled, guys. That's very important. So yeah, guys, just wanted to share a little bit of me becoming a licensed esthetician. I'm super excited. This is gonna be like my little side gig job. So yeah, I can't wait for COVID to be like super duper done and over with, so I can just get back to doing what I love. So yeah, guys, this is it. All right, guys, so we're back in my kitchen, and we're just gonna wrap things up with this tea. So guys, it's been brewing for 8 hours now, and I'm going to just pour all this tea in here. And I'm just gonna stir it. And guys, you don't remove the bag, okay? You don't remove the sachet. You don't remove it. It stays in here. And guys, yeah, that's how you make this tea. So guys, remember, 1 gallon equals 1 week's worth of tea. Right? 1 sachet equals 1 week's worth of tea. So guys, my website will be in the description box down below. Once you click on it, it's gonna take you to my website. You'll see my name, my phone number, my email address, and you can check out the other products on this website, guys. We have amazing products. If you need capsules, if you need facial products, skincare products, lipstick, and guys, everything is organic and natural. So guys, make sure you go check out the website down below. I promise you guys, you will not be disappointed. Okay, so guys, this is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. TeDivina to the world. Alright, let me stop. Hey guys, Nadia here from the future. So just to let you guys know, this tea is not only for persons who need to lose weight. This tea can help with lupus, sickle cell, IBS, menstrual cramps, endometriosis, fibroids, MS, high blood pressure, low energy, guys, you name it.